hold me.
You hold my finger.
Hold him. Get the camera. Drop him in there. Wonderful. Tap him. Give me.
Me faint a while ago.
Allah ya tell.
Last time I have to lie down in the water. I'm tired. All 5 crab me I catch one time. Epic adventure today. First, we're going to catch crab. And we are going to catch some crab, guys. So you see? 2 team out here. So the Smith team.
I'm going to teach me how to catch crab, you know? Yeah, big up on yourself, people. We're out here. So, Kim going to teach me to catch crab. Stay tuned for that.
You hear that, people?
Yeah.
We'll see.
That is it.
So,
I'll give him a roll, you know.
come with us on the journey.
Alright guys, welcome back to another episode.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Check in the boat, people. And if I'm sizing a boat, we have to roll with it today.
Yes. Guys, the water boat then too heavy. You can't manage them then. Check in, folks. Camera girl here. Smith's World TV. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's see how it goes. So it's currently 2:48 p.m.
Yeah.
Don't think you guys can see it, but we're ready. You can't tell you about the people that will come around here and look at footprint. Let's see how it goes.
One clap. Hey. Oh, if a man come through, you say?
That may I look at footprint.
1 million man come through, you say?
Somebody left all them crooks. I feel like Maria will be first one to get so.
That is it, babes.
Not even one. How long has it been? About 10 minutes. Pure mud. And it's deep. Jesus.
You drop your food.
Catch yourself. Happy I'm mud. May I sink?
Asa,
Yeah, boss. Go on. You have a deep boot. You're stuck. This is not for the faint at heart and people who is unfit.
go get your skirt.
Guys, think twice about doing this here.
Right.
Don't just come on a whim and don't let people tell us if we come out and go to crab hunt. Is there any with this? Nah. Mm-hmm. Jeez. People look here already. Okay, better road now, people. Better road now.
Tired people, I'm gonna catch one with. You can't even check in. A leprechaun boot this.
Something like so.
Leprechaun boot mess up.
You know, look good, guys. It's sticky.
You catch one?
Gotta go deeper. Catch.
Wanna catch?
Empty. Yeah, empty.
Cut the shoes.
Empty.
Rolling.
Look at mine.
You. Oh, come on, go. Dirty, Gabby.
Tell her.
I don't know, I'm gonna make you you're not feeling no crab.
How if I catch one, it's a blessing.
I'm feeling crab. Oh, them bushes.
Feel like we've been here an hour now.
Oh, yeah, because you feel like today you're home, no?
Wouldn't it be so crazy?
My
We not catch none.
crab just on a run, come on road and it.
And that man said, we have some crab galore.
That me I said too.
Then get the memo.
We can't sit on them. I them out. Ricky. Wanna make it look up boy them better one.
They're used to it. Here's one. I got one. The first catch.
First catch. Hey Ricky, want your bag in? So me catch one here. Come see him quick.
Can I go show him?
Come. Woo, see them here too. Come see me.
See one cone here. Put him down, your mama probably miss him.
See him there in him this one. You see him?
Oh, too late, man.
Lick them out. Hi.
Yeah. See, when them come out here, them want them eat them.
It's full of water.
Round here, so?
Yeah.
Then I eat, I see. Yeah.
Finish was only far. I put. Poor thing. Wait. Oh, I stick.
Wild West.
Really, go ahead. Come in front now.
Got my walking stick. You deep, man. You was deep.
Long time. Yeah.
Chopper then this. Put.
Yes.
Smoky night.
Come on, miss.
Take the card. Oh, the pier is about 3 feet, 4 feet.
Got under and go, you know. You go under, you know. Because I see when there's a first and then you come right.
One wedding.
Some of them go more, no, where they go though?
They can't stay. But you can't stay in the water for long. You have to come back out.
What is Bella?
You know, come out back.
Bella. Bella.
Man, left in a bag and then empty it out. Come in. Come in. Tap him. Give me. No, no, catch crab. Right, Tanisha. Sorry. Bag him. Come, Rick. Catch him, Tanisha.
Yes.
So I don't want to kill you. I thought you
Water boot them. No, I'm going to try this. Go for the water boot, somebody. Go for it. Move it with them.
Yeah, me water boat.
Yeah, that would. Oh, weak. Water boot. Not joke. Mario. You see me? You know what I'm going nowhere. Water boot come.
No, man, go there, man.
You say that.
Oh, yeah, man.
Fuck the car. Come, hold it back. Come on, give me that joke.
Then bye, Tanisha.
Away, Britney go feet.
Three, me catch two and do it. Pull up.
Travel then class and
I couldn't believe.
No, I see.
Hey,
It's your body, you know.
yes, I want that.
no mommy see them. Me tired.
Me see you swim, I said, no, Ricky, I know one now, Ricky, that no more than about 12 days when come out of the car.
Look in there, back.
Yeah, go in there, man.
I eat this so then go.
Have you seen anybody?
But no, no around for the road, man.
What? You look at plenty, man.
Enough gone in that.
Ricky, me could go in and say.
We're not hungry tonight. Can't believe it's here right in a pile of wood. There's some people we go find crab. Mighty Father. They're in your side now. And yes, I see them run go. In your side.
Open the bag, let me see in there.
We are going to get some run from over here.
Yes, come over here, so.
Yo,
Hey, go up in there.
kill. Hang on, man. They honor them part.
One that day, so not two.
Same way. That is it.
And you know me what's not gonna see, because me wear glasses and I'm not see nothing.
Mario.
Yeah, relax. Come think
You never do me good with cold.
Eh? You can't get out.
I'm dead, man.
Yeah, but take him out.
You can't get out down there. Alright, we can move on, guys.
I think so.
Oh, my God.
I want to love them stuff. Alright, that's supposed to be good, right?
Ready, Dolly?
Yes. Me naked.
Nothing over. Put in there,
What him doing? You can.
yeah, when I come to
What after me?
what's done it, what's the right now?
Watch on.
Back, Tanisha.
Open it up.
Go on, money.
It's about this dead. Archer, finish them. Archer.
Come, Ricky.
Oh, shit.
Hands.
He's down in the plastic.
Cameraman never dies.
Hands there, man.
Yeah, try.
Hey, there you go. Anything that you like, just try to go on over. Come on, ready? Okay, grab him, man.
Oh, you hook him?
Yeah.
You Lord. Hook myself.
Tanisha.
Come. See bag at doing. Give me back to it. Come see bag here.
Catch him.
Open the bag. See bag at Ricky.
Mariana said. Let me get him. Wait.
Nah, bite it.
You know what he said? Anyway, the ants there.
Hi!
You are there.
You want a finger?
Hold him. Drop him in there. Wonderful.
We don't get back one. More in there.
Wait.
More in there. See me. You come out?
One expert out there. You in there?
No.
Go on and put it in there.
Oh, I see it.
Anyway, bite nonsense, they didn't did it.
I hold it there.
What do you in there?
But they have a little hole where they can't go up in.
Put out it.
Since you like that so smooth.
Hold on, let me count.
Aye. Make you smooth them out. Okay? Let me know light and everything. Man.
Yeah.
Come.
Back. Crab, guys. We will crab anywhere. Look, upside down, inside out.
Jesus, we jump out in the shoes there. Let me good shoes. Just I realize, you know. How did you see that?
I bring you to the edge.
At the edge.
Sit at the edge.
You see that?
Look for crab, man. Tonight, I just drive where I drive over.
New location, guys. We are at Rocky Point. The other side, you catch a good amount around here, but from here so now, because there's a ton. So let's go.
The hunters are out for the crowd.
Let's change the line, but let's change the line.
That is serious. That's why the lady said one bag now go work for me.
Just one bag now work.
The lady said one bag now work.
I say, woman, tell me where I say, we are going one back. I say, we are going
One dozen for Brittany.
One dozen for me.
Yo, we got the great thing.
Where's the mango? Do you mean a mango tree?
All right, here. Cool.
Well, send him on them. That's the spirit.
Come in, come in. Oh, that's time.
You want it, Mario?
First one, guys. It's promising.
Crap outside.
Yes, sir, then put it in there, sir.
It's hard for catching our water, you know.
Yes, sir, you're killing that water now, boy. Then dummy on this, you know.
Ricardo.
I mean, big hand me to take it out, you know.
How about you?
Beer and me that take him out, you know. Now I went up my glove.
You're rough, you know.
Second one.
Whoa. Oh, what you want him?
Tanisha.
Sit here.
Mario.
Mario.
Everyone has to wish you different man. We're gone home already.
Congratulations. The just tell Marlon say no woman not press on in the corner.
Get up now, man.
Eh, me not go for that though.
On the cross.
Me not go for
that. All 10 crab one time. Go and just be a water.
Water eye.
Yeah, water high. No, you know high, you know. But you cover on the
run off one crab, it better when me did dive off.
brother, one time I take up 2 crab, I let more, I let them.
Oh God, Gabby.
No, me not yam.
Alright, baby, me a dance for you, for me.
Yam crab up my yard.
I'll let you go outside.
You see?
Brittany.
Where was this shoe? Jeez, this one is big.
That's it.
I want the big one.
Yes.
Let's get to the end of it.
Thanks, sir. That's it. Come on, Taibo. Now make like the whole your job.
To the end of it.
Ask you to eat you up. Woo. We become a gabush on that, man.
They mosquitoes are very wicked.
No, we already forgot what it is. You hungry for crab? We not get crab till tomorrow, 50. By night, you're going to
Yeah, cook till tomorrow.
You hear? Yeah, catch man, but you can't cook it till tomorrow, Bella. Oh. Right, tomorrow. You hungry bad for crab?
I need to give one tonight and send my school tomorrow.
Run it to Ricky. Me, I run it to myself. Go baby, please.
Out here without fear.
Man?
I say, all we are get bite.
I love
Come,
fun.
come Ricky with the big catch.
I'm not going to.
Come on, try catch one, but him a go around the tree. See him there, see
You
him there?
see him?
In the middle, right here. Come on this side. Yes, look right there, right there, right there. Mind your head.
No, you're not nervous.
What the crab?
I hide and see. Is that one happening?
Catch him, catch him.
I want to play hide and see.
It's a nice one.
Out here without fear. This is it.
Come here.
Down in there.
Jesus, be showing it.
Let me see that. Jeez, you look at me see you go over there a while ago. What's your big man said it?
That should be me.
The cactus them mash me up though.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, then joke hot.
Yeah. And then let's all look find stuff in
Yeah.
the skin. That's something that's a minago and
There's one back there.
This thing.
Careful with the merchandise.
Careful with the merchandise, you hear? This is our dinner. We work hard.
Come, Gabby, come. We want to make sure everything was in there. Yeah, but I'm passing. Right. One the back part.
Careful.
Yeah, some of them kind of, they up one.
Short it, over.
They over there, see only they don't come out back. Alright, let's go put it there right to the farm, man. We're going to reach home already, you know? Reach home already. One bag of crab.
Lock him down.
Lock it
Get
down.
that beans.
You see, I need to get you.
Yes. A beer mosquito out there, son.
Then over so.
A long time they over there, no?
Me, I wonder if they catch good amount over there. Oh. Oh. They gone again? Oh, Jesus, they gone again. Just secure the investments tightly.
Hard work.
Yes. Inte pa one my yaku. Or one dead one.
That is it.
When they give it two bag, we don't know where that's so bag. Oh, I look at it just out of the way bag. Out and pack it. No, over the side crab, what do you call it now? Crab circle.
They might fight him too.
You just follow instinct and go over there. So.
Daddy, go!
How
Go, Daddy, go!
the barbecue telling you, why you go so far? You see? But you know, water boosters. So
Yeah! You can do it! Punchinella!
Hey, one day I will see what I'm
See, woo! Yeah, Daddy!
This is no mere ranger.
Come!
He is Arago,
Heir to
son
the
of
throne
Arago.
of Gondor!
You owe him your allegiance.
Yeah!
That's how we do it, guys.
this bag are full of quick.
And I don't curry. Please.
Curry some Ricky Seven. Let us chop and get all of the all inclusive.
They are suffer right now.
That's big. Everybody catching crab. Grandpa catch a big one. Look at the claw. So big. Hey!
Guys, come looking at the bag. Look at that. We're doing good. Plus Ricky have some over the other side. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna cook curry crab, brown stew crab. And what kind of crab again?
Crab tamale,
Crab tamale.
fried crab.
Oh my god, stay tuned for that. So we got part 1 and part 2. Alright, so yeah man, we out here. Same way. What time? Say what time?
Remember, I said we started at what, 2:48? It's now 6:20.
Yeah, 6:20.
Sunset.
Crab them just a come out, people.
At first, we had no faith. It's looking good. I'm sure I'm gonna say that diesel. So
Go say something else. Alright.
that diesel have a whole leaf.
And Ricardo and
Dwayne.
Dwayne. Yeah.
And Mario.
And Mario over there.
We
Ricky
can't
over
see them no
there.
more. Can't see them no more, people.
We not even hear them.
But we know them good. We don't hear nobody else scream.
This crab hunting is nice, guys. Me not lie. First time for us, I'm gonna tell you, epic. Yeah,
Yep.
we are like crawl on the ground.
Not me though.
Like soldier. We crawling like soldier. So yeah man, people, just stick and stay.
First of many.
Right. Stick and stay. But guess what? Next time we have to go buy boot. You know
We
that?
have boots, you know, but
Proper boot.
yeah.
Yeah man. And we have to carry repellent next time.
And
because
lights.
Mosquito. Yeah.
We didn't bring any light this time because we came out during the day, so we never know say night would catch it. So next time, lights, proper
Yeah.
boots, and that's it.
That's it. Yeah.
So stay tuned, guys. We'll show you how the catch looks at the end.
Yeah. So
Stick
like,
and stay.
comment, share, and subscribe, people.
Yeah.
We pull up already. Put it up, catch none yet. Put it up, catch none. If we did that one, we don't catch at the back, the full too. Hey,
Mario! Why?
me feeling
a while ago.
Allah ya tell.
After me have to lie down in the water, I'm tired. All 5 crab me I catch one time.
We are calling us, come.
Tanisha, you have to load a crab later with all 20. After them, look at me hand.
Okay.
Yeah, all both of me cut up.
What's this much coming in my life?
Really?
After them, everything
I wash
alive.
then did you know?
No, then upon the bank side, all 20 of them.
What feedback?
I'm tired with that, we can't catch no more. The
Can't
bag
catch
can't
no
hold no more.
You crab them up on the seaside.
We can't go no more, I'm tired. I'm faint, you know. After them, you have to lie down in the water and cool off. I'll feel like I got dead.
How far we are going? We go far.
Over the circle.
I'm not catching none yet. I'm not catching none.
That's a man.
Eh?
This is more than 400 crab.
You can't pull about one spot.
Alright, you can tap on one spot and pull up. And pull your back.
Cause daddy have to run up and down to catch crab.
Every single step in my...
You see, me going to, alright, me going to water and beer and say, I want to bite and cut him again.
Yeah, be a monster of this.
My mind.
I know you're from here, come from, man. Oh, God, you walk, man.
Alright, try your hand. Oh, I leave. Oh, me, I say I want to go to leave. Guys, this is the next bag again. Ricky just come out of the swamp area. So right now, crab more than people. So guys, we are going home now. We're tired. We are tired. Look at crabs in the bag. Look one back, people. Look on that. It's full. Look on that one there. Look on that.
Hey, man, send this a bag, yeah. Who watch monster?
Work. Work. I'm not alive. I work. From a 4-year-old, 5-year-old rather, they catch crab. Fishing, everything. And I'm the first me ever catch a crab at a half. The promising to them, man. Can't complain. Promising.
Eh?
Yeah, I'm rest.
Next week when the rain don't fall. Next. Eh? Listen to them are crabbing on water. Listen, they don't want water. No, them are crabbing on water. No, me I tell you, they know up on the east side we catching most of them. Look there, look at me. Eh. Come like a Rambo, look there. Oh God. Yes guys, it was a good catch, people. Yeah man, we love it. Isabella go crazy when she see them at crab.
Crazy adventure. First time doing crab hunting.
Right.
And it was a success. Me never catch none still, but that's besides the point.
I catch. You're gonna see that on the camera, guys.
No catch none. So you
Yeah.
go. Another time.
Crab did life on yourself today, so you have to be a whole day crab.
100. Right there, sir.
You have to run up on us.
Good.
Wanna be played.
Me? One of my one.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're going back home. Godspeed.
That is it.
Stay tuned for the chefins.
Part 2.
Part 2.